Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So I am working one of top level of the MNC company and I having the more than 5 year of experience in teaching profile, and in my session we having the 100% job placement and all of my student is working in the top level of MNC company. So I am also working in the same profile in automation testing profile. I having the more than 6 to 7 year of experience in testing profile, and I can see many people have already done the course but they are not able to crack the interview, and after completing the course they are they don't have a proper knowledge. The question is why, right? So I have received many message from Facebook, youtube channel and all, but the people are asking, I'm not able to crack the job, I'm not able to survive in the company and all, right? So they don't have a confidence. The question is why. The question is, when you are going for automation testing profile, right? If you don't have automation a skill right now, then you have to very difficult to survive in the company, because mostly companies looking for everything they are trying to automate, not even in your testing profile. Got it, right? So what I observed, if you will join any institute for your automation testing profile, they are not spending much time on your coding skill like code Java, right? So nowadays days, if you don't have a proper programming language, you are not able to crack the interview and even you are not able to work in the company. That is recent market. So in my session I start from the scratch level. Even if you did not do the coding before, and if you are new in the coding skill set, I will start from the scratch level to experience level. I will spend more than 1 month. Even I can exceed the timing for only your code Java skill set and programming skill set. So this is your 70% preparation for your automation testing profile, and 30% your selenium or rest assured or cucumber if you want to learn any other framework, because this is the implementation of the code Java. If you don't know the code Java concept, then how to understand, how to implement this framework, right? So my session is completely different from the others tutor. I'm spending much time on your coding skill. Your profile will become the SDET profile, software development testing profile, and recent market they are looking for you having the very good programming language. So that's why in my session we having the 100% job placement, and all the people are working in the top level of the MNC company. Even they did not work before in automation testing profile, after completing the course be having the special session for you, mock interview session. So every weekend be having the mock interview session. So before going for your live interview, we will also prepare for your what the question they can ask if you will go as a real experience in for the interview, right? So that's why the people are getting placed. And if you can see in my post, I have clearly mentioned, if you are not satisfied with my teaching, or if you will not get the job, your 100% fee is refundable, because I am confident that with my content and my hard work, if you will follow me, definitely you are able to crack the interview. Not even you are able to crack the interview, you are able to work in the company as well, right? So this is my agenda. So I will train you for end-to-end preparation for manual to automation. If you are working in the different profile, or if you are working in manual profile, or if you want to switch in your automation testing profile, okay, so you guys are able to work in the company, you guys are able to crack any interview for my guidance, for my content, and be having the 100% job security. After completing the course, you are there with me. If you are facing any problem in the future, so I will also help you. I will help you until unless you will get the job, right? So my question is again, why you guys are not able to get the job? Because you don't have a proper knowledge in subject, your concept is not clear. right? If your concept is clear, definitely you are able to crack the interview, or you are able to work in the company as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. And in my channel be having the many videos for live session for core Java, Selenium. Even I made the video on real-time interview question. You can go below link and you can check with that. Definitely this is helpful for you guys. And lastly, I want to tell you, please share, subscribe my channel, and press bell icon so you will get new video notification as well. So thank you so much. If you're having the any query, any issue, please reach out to me. My contacts are there. You can directly reach out to me. You can WhatsApp me, and you can call me. If I will free, definitely I will pick your phone. And thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.